Welcome to Next Circuit and our open source video series. Today we'll dive into the world of GitHub, starting with creating a GitHub account and learning essential Git commands every beginner should know. Let's get started. First, head over to github.com and click on Sign Up. Enter your email, create a strong password, and choose a unique username. Follow the prompts to verify your email and complete the setup. After that, you need to install thy Git for your local machine. So you need to visit gitscm.com and follow the all guidelines and download Git and install your local machine. Git is a free and open source distributed version control system designed to track changes in files, particularly source code, during software development. It allows multiple developers to work collaboratively on a project while maintaining a history of changes and resolving conflicts effectively. So, next, let's configure Git on your computer. Then open your Git terminal, uintall, and type this command. Need to mention I will demonstrate this step because I already configured this verification. This command can confirm check if Git is installed, and this checks if Git is already installed. If you see a version number, you're good to go. If not, download it from gitscm.com. Let's move to next step. When you start using Git, you need to configure it so it can identify you. This is important because Git tracks every change you make in a project, and it needs to know who made those changes. This setup is like introducing yourself to Git before you start working. Now let's tell Git who you are. This step is important because Git needs to record who made each change in a project. Type this command, replacing your name with your real name. Next, we'll set your email address. This ensures that your contributions are linked to your GitHub account. Type this command, replacing your email at example.com with the email address you use for GitHub. That's it. You've configured Git with your name and email. Every change you make now will be properly attributed to you. Let's move on to using Git in a project. So this is the interesting part of the video now. We move to our GitHub account and create a new project. To create a project, click New Repository on GitHub. Name it, add a README file, and click Create Repository. The public and private selection is your choice. After project creating, you need to clone your project to your local machine. To clone your project, type this command in terminal. This clone your repository to your computer, creating a folder with all its files. Check your changes history. This shows the current state of your repository. Files that are staged, unstaged, or untracked. But you won't see anything because there are no any changes in this project Git status. Now I open my project in Visual Studio Code and add some changes. I add only HTML file and Civet he project. Code dot. After adding the HTML file, move to terminal again and changes history. Git status. Look now. You can see the changes are available in terminal butts. It's appear in red color. So now we confirm changes using command Git Add. Git Add. Then type again Git Status. Now it's appear in green color. That's mean our change has been added to the local project. Now we need to push the changes to our GitHub repository. This stages all your changes, preparing them to be saved in the next commit. So then type this command. Commits are snapshots of your project. Always write a clear message for each commit. Finally, we can push this changes to GitHub. To push the command to GitHub, using command Git Push, we can push changes to GitHub. Now we open again our GitHub account and checkout. Look, our changes are available in there. HTML file is now available in our repository. And that wraps up our tutorial on GitHub Basics. From creating an account to mastering essential commands, you're now equipped to start your coding journey with GitHub. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with others exploring Git. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy coding tutorials. Got questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.